So in this class, in these sessions, we are going to discuss one of the important topic, that is the typecasting in Python. So what is the meaning of typecasting? So we can convert one data type value into the another data type value. That is nothing but a conversion. That is nothing but a typecasting. Okay, this conversion is called as a typecasting in the Python. And the following are the various type of Python typecasting are there. Int, boolean. So if I want to convert any data type into the integer, we have to use the int, right, to convert any data type into the integer data type, right? Suppose if any data type is there, I want to convert it to a true and false boolean. In that case, we have to use the bool method. Similarly, strings str, if I want to convert into a strings, we can use the str. First example, if suppose that any data type is there, I want to convert into the integer data type. In that case, we have to use the int. Okay, so we can use this function to convert any data type into the integer. For example, this one. If you see that, if we have the 123.987, this is the data, float data. I want to convert into the integer. We can convert with the help of int, and it will provide you the integer value 123, like that, right? If I want to explain in the example, this is the int data type conversion, right? This will print the value. So suppose that this is the data, I want to convert it to the integer, we can use the int, it will convert into the integer part, right? If boolean is there, this is the true, means boolean data type. I want to convert into the integer. So what is the meaning of the true? That is the 1. This will convert into the 1. False, convert into the integer. We can use the int and then the object. This is the value of the false. False means 0. And if we have the string data type, right? In this double quote, it is a string. I want to convert into the integer. It will convert into the 10, right? Always remember that if we have the data which is in the form of the float, right, this is nothing but a float data type, means this is the float, but although it is contained into the string, right? So this is the string data type, but that string is contain the float data. So if we are going to convert into the float, so it will provide you an error, right? So always remember, if we are going to convert string into the integer data type, right, so it should be always the integer data. A string contain only the integer data, not the float data. So it will not be a valid case for that, we cannot convert. Similarly for this one, if we want to convert a string into the integer, so this should not be a alphabetical kind of 10 or 20 like that. It should be the always integer. It will not work. If I'm going to run this piece of code, it will not work. It will tell you the syntax error. And then similarly this one, if we have the boolean, okay, if I want to convert into the integer, it will not possible. So always remember, if we want to typecast a string into the integer, in that case it should be always the integer data type, like this one. Okay, now coming to boolean. So boolean data type is nothing but a 0 means false, 1 means true, right? And if I want to convert any data type into the boolean, we can use the bool bool. So this will be the false, right? Output will the false. This one means true. And always remember, if any value is there, anything, any data is there, that means true. If no data is there, that means false. So if I'm converting the integer, any value rather than the 0, that will become a true. 10.5, that is having data, true. This is also a data, true. This is nothing a data, right? 0 means nothing a data, it means false. This is having the data, it means true. This is also having the data, true. This is nothing a data, no data is there, right? 0 0. So in that case, false. If I'm converting the true, which is the string, into the boolean, it will convert it. Similarly false, if we have a blank data, it means the false. Okay, so no data means false, having the data means true, zero data means always false. Okay, the boolean. Now coming to string data typecasting. So in the string data type casting, we can convert any data type into the string data type. Okay, we have to use str as a function to convert any data type into the string data type. Okay, so this is the data. For example, this is the integer I want to convert into string. We can convert float, we can convert complex, we can convert boolean, also we can convert into the string data type. So string data type, there is no restrictions. We can convert any data type into the strings, right, with the help of str. Boolean, if data is there then true, data is not there that is false, blank data is there false, zero data is there that is false. And integer, each and everything is possible, but if we are converting int string into the integer, it should be always contain the integer part, right? So I hope you understand. We will discuss in detail the rest of the data type next.